Can you hear me?
Yes, please send the
Okay.
mouse invitation and let's get this finished up, please.
Sure. Yeah, you can share screen first, then I will send it to you.
Oh, got it. So leads from messages, that's the form on the site.
Yep. And this one we don't need to be removed.
Well, that's the one I was asking about.
I'm showing you which one we did. Like this one we did like
There it is. Got
submit
it.
late. Yeah.
Okay. So calls from ad, call from, what's the difference between calls from website and phone number clicks?
Mm, mm, mm. This one I think previously said by someone else. I am not 100% sure how you set it up. Right now, this one is called from ad. It's like extension, and once you run call only at that time, it
Yep.
show like here. But this one, I think it's better. We can delete this one because we are not sure how it was set up previously. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't set it up, so we can get rid of that then. All right, so we got the three calls from ads, phone call clicks on the website, and form
Yep.
submissions. Now, in the past, Boppy, you have set these up for other clients. They run for a couple of weeks, and then I'll go
Mm-hmm.
back and check them, and it says needs attention, and you had to go back in and make edits to them.
Suppose we set up this tracking today, right?
Yep.
And if within 7 days, if they don't receive any action, any signal, that time it's showing the need attention. Okay. So once you preview and send a signal to Google Ad, that time it automatically there will show no recent conversion. Okay. So that's the thing it's happened. But now we just said we have to do a troubleshoot, then we are able to see is it fire or not. Okay, I'm showing you.
So you're showing me a way to test it.
Yeah.
A1A. Yep.
So I am testing the lead now, okay?
The lead form. Got
And
it.
yeah. Can you please speak? Oh, I think you have the, and now you can just select the pickup or,
Got it.
okay. Can you see now? Sending data, like lead from submit GTM, conversion action is sending data,
Okay.
okay? So is it
Got it.
sending now? So now we have to test, and the tag, if I show you, the tag is fired, okay? The lead from submit for Google Analytics,
Fired one time. Got
and
it.
yeah, lead from submit for Google Ad conversion one time. And this
Why
is
is
for
there? All right.
use.
So hold on. Event lead form submit conversion. So here's a question. What's the difference between this and this?
Okay. So this one is Google Ad user provided data event. Okay. This is for enhanced conversion tracking.
Yes.
Enhanced conversion tracking
I
means,
know what that is. Yes.
yeah. We are sending the user provided data with our conversion to measure the advanced level measurement, as well as to send Google Ad who are our actual user who are really interested by sending this email and phone number. So Google algorithm can understand actual
Yeah,
customer behavior, okay, and
I
they
got
will
that. Right.
optimize the campaign. So that's the why this is the separate tag on here, and this one is for the Google Ad conversion, and this one for the Google Analytics for. Okay. So
Got
there
it.
is the
Thank you.
three tag for the lead. And now what we need to check, we have to check for the phone number. So for the phone number, one sec, phone number should be there. Website backend should be there.
Are we in the
Mhm.
right? Yes, we're in the right account.
Mm-hmm. So the tag is added, okay? It's taking some time. Yeah. Can you see
Okay.
that?
Yep.
So the
All
search
right.
console
So,
also added. Now just one thing we have to do in this setting, then we are good to go. A11 private.
yep. Yep. It's right here.
This
A1A. Yep.
logistics service. The lead from submit phone numbers, like those are appearing. We connected this. Just we have to make sure this is the account default conversion goal. Oh, can you please like
Sure.
remove this slide?
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, it's primary. And it will verify it within few hours because we just set up, as you know, and this is also primary. Okay. So this one is done. Settle. Just the data link I have to check. So this ad account ID is same. Okay. Can you see the ad account ID?
Yep.
Like is 470, but this ad account ID is
Right. They're not matching.
yeah. So I think let's see. You may have
Nope, that's
set
correct. Nope.
this
Nope.
is
That's
not correct
canceled.
one. Okay, so we have to correct. I think we connected the cancel one, so we have to disconnect this one and connect the right
You
one.
don't have to start over, do you?
No, just we have to
Okay.
connect this way within few seconds.
Um,
One, okay, there is two, as you can
oh
see.
shit. That's my
Yeah,
fault.
yeah, no problem.
It didn't show canceled there, so that was the problem.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad you caught that.
Yeah, I'm just saying like two. That's why I'm double checking.
But it's
Now it's
funny
the
that
correct one.
even though you had the wrong one, it still showed that those
Oh.
two test ones still showed up. How did it show up if you had the wrong account link?
Yeah, if you have the admin level access, then it's showing on
All
there.
right,
That's the
do a
thing.
quick test 5256. Look at the Google Ads and make sure. Go
Oh,
back to
yeah, sure. I'm going there. Oh, there.
5256. Now go to Google Ads, please. 5256.
Yep,
Great.
that is the correct one. And this one also will be gone. It's just taking some time. So we
Okay.
had to
Yeah,
set
I'll
up
follow
this.
up and make sure that happens. All right, there's one
Mhm.
other account. There's not a lot of work to do, but one other Google Ads account I need you to look at, please.
Yeah,
You're
just one
done
second.
when you're done. All
Your
right.
Google tag is successfully. Just to active, it's taking few hour, okay?
Sure.
Like up to
Understand.
3 hour,
Got it.
as you can see. Okay. Yeah, you can show me the another one, please.
Okay. We have already done all of this setup for this account in last year, but it's
Mm-hmm.
giving me a message talking about, yeah, I've got this campaign paused because of the weather here, but it gave me a message about advanced G4. I can't remember the exact word, something about advanced G4 tag settings. Does that make sense?
Maybe the enhance tag.
Enhanced. That's it. That's what it is.
Yeah.
How do you
Yeah.
check that?
Just yeah. I just did for the second website for you. That's why I know. Because right now Google suggesting us to set up the enhanced conversion tracking. Okay.
All right. So how do we check on this Google Ads account?
We have to
It's
open that
also through
account.
it's also a Wix website.
Let's see.
Well, yeah, there's last 30 days we're not running ads, so that's
Oh, no problem.
I don't know why that YouTube there is. We've never run YouTube ads. Hold on for a minute. This doesn't make sense. We're in the right ad account. Let me see the mouse. All right,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, here we go. There's just we don't phone calls from LA website, calls from ads, phone call clicks, and book tours.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, those are all correct. I don't know why all these are down here. Should we get rid of these that aren't?
Yeah, we can if those not by the Google hosted. Let's see. I think previously this client had a Google YouTube ad account, sorry, YouTube account, and he connected with the Google ad account. That's why that time it was automatically created by like Google hosted. Okay, as you can see. like the direction and YouTube. It should be
Yeah. All
there.
right. Well, if they're not hurting anything, we can just leave them there.
No,
They're
no.
not.
Yeah, yeah. We can delete this one. That one we don't need because it was related to universal analytics and it's gone last 3 years ago. So we don't need that.
Yeah. Android installs also doesn't
Yeah,
apply.
yeah. Yeah, it's I
There's no,
believe as
and these seem to be duplicates. Like there's no form capture under other, there's no form capture. Anyway,
like this one. Yeah. This one I think we can also delete that.
yeah, there's
That's
no
not a
form
problem.
capture on that website. And that phone call, I don't know, you've already
This
got phone
both
calls. You've already
this
got
one
that
from my
above in the
yeah, yeah,
above
we
one.
don't need that. We set up it on the app hope, so we don't need
Okay.
this one as well. And there, I believe there is few data or not. There is nothing, as you can see from the all time.
Yeah. So let's get
So
rid of those.
somehow, yeah.
See, all right, above that under page views, those
Hmm.
aren't hurting anything.
No,
Website
this Google
visits,
hosted. No, I am
logo.
just checking. Yeah. This is as a do not use
That's a
account details.
default.
So it
Got
will,
it.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, I don't know what
So,
local actions menu views. I don't really need to track that. I don't want it to show up as a conversion when it's really
mm-hmm,
just people looking at the site, but it's Google
mm-hmm.
hosted. So let's not worry about it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
think so.
Yep.
The advanced setting that you mentioned, is there anything that needs to be done with these conversions?
For this website, I don't think so. We don't need to do anything else.
Why is
You
it
can
giving me,
run the
why do
campaign.
you think it's giving me that message about advanced?
Okay, so this is like auto trigger masses for all the campaign manager. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
whatever campaign running on the Google or have the account previous campaign running, Google send those masses automatically to all of those. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, I
Mm-hmm.
appreciate your help, Boppy. As usual, you're great, but I am running late on time. What price are
Mm-hmm.
we going to agree upon for today?
Yeah, we did maybe 1 hour 30 minutes for today, and we have like few minutes the last day, so it's almost 2 hours. So you can tell me how much should I send as per the
What
previous price we get that.
what did we do on our last call?
Sorry, say again.
What was our price for the last bill that you sent me?
Oh, the last bill, 1 second, I am checking because it was a few months ago, so I have to check. Give me 1 sec. So the last call, 1 second. I think last call I think we did maybe 40 or 5 minute, 40 or 50 minute. I sent the 50 USD last call, okay? The
I'm going to
last
say
bill, it was
$100.
it was November, yeah, it was November 21. Okay. Oh, okay. So for whatever we did today and last call, yours okay, I am sending like 110, okay, for everything.
That's fine. All right. Well, Boppy,
Okay.
thank you very much. I've got to go. So please send that and I will pay that today.
No problem, no problem. I have to take a screenshot from the tag manager so I can use as a delivery. Oh, can you please yeah, share your screen and go to the tag manager, please. The tag manager. Yeah. 1 second. I'm taking the screenshot from here without the domain name also.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Have a good day. I've got to go.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sure.
Boppy.
No problem. I will send it to you in few
Send
minutes.
the
Okay.
send the final delivery and I'll pay it today.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
yeah, sure, sure. Okay. Bye. Have a good one. Bye.